Hi class, I had a question on Sea Lion and GitHub. You do not need to connect Sea Lion to GitHub at all. The only thing you need to do to make this simple is to, if you don't have one already, get a GitHub account. Okay? So GitHub is owned by Microsoft. It is a safe organization. All of the programmers in the world have post their code on GitHub. It's just the way it works. So, um, uh, if you do have a GitHub account, it's fine. Now, in our module, you will notice that there is a link. Module 1, this is us. It says Remote Repo Module 1. So I use a product called GitHub Classroom to create classrooms and assignments. There's only one assignment per module, so all of the code that you write for Module 1 will go into this remote repo. Okay, make sure you commit it. I'll show you how to do that in a second. So right here, I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to write 5 C++ programs. And they are all going to be into this Module 1 remote repository on GitHub. So first time you open this, you should see like there's a list of names. If your name is not on that list, let me know, and I'll figure out how to add so that you get a remote repository. But anyway, once you get to this message here, and again, I'm signed in, already signed into GitHub, so you may need to actually sign in with your GitHub username and password. So click on this, and now I am in my remote repository, right? See, and your repository will be named very similar to this. It'll be C module 01 dash and then some form of your username. I do have a README file in here that reiterates what was in the module tasks. So you can see here are these C++ files. All right, so then fast forward, I open up Sea Lion, I get my triple int program working. All these programs are really short, so let's do your best. If you want help, you can ask ChatGPT, you can go to W3 Schools, you can watch the videos for this module. It's good to get instruction from different people, not just from me or not just from the textbook or from ChatGPT. Just the problem with YouTube videos are that they're nice to watch, but if you just watch YouTube videos on how to become a C++ programmer for 10 hours, you're just going to get good at watching YouTube videos, right? So you actually have to open up Sea Lion and make your programs run. You got to hit this run button and make your programs run. Please enter a whole number. I will enter 3. That would break it if I did that. You entered 3. Thank you. Your triple number is 9. All right. Here's the source code for that. If you wanted to look at this, I would. Well, you can't copy and paste this, but and even if you ask ChatGPT for help, and ChatGPT gives you, some code, right now, until we get, through probably 2/3 of the semester, I do want you to, write your own code rather than just copying and pasting from GitHub. You'll learn to code faster that way. Okay. So anyway, I have this triple int file working just fine. I know where it is. It's under C:\\2025 fall, C++, class projects. Your location, of course, is going to be a little bit different, but I follow this path, and then I open up this path, and here, sure enough, is tripleint.cpp. You can right click on that and open with Notepad if you want to, and you can see that sure enough it is just a text file. Here's my text file. Okay, so I know where this is. Now I go back to my remote repository. I have too many windows open. I gotta find my remote repository. Hang on a second. Okay, if you lost your window with your remote repository, don't worry. You cannot lose your remote repository. It's in the cloud, right? So anyway, you will only have to find your name once. The next time that you click there, your remote repository, you should get this page right here. Okay, so just do that, and then make sure you're here. You will be. This is all you need to do. Add file, upload files, choose files. You have to remember where your source code is. I remember mine was in 2025 C++. Class projects. Sure enough, there's tripleint.cpp. Open. And the main thing, the only thing, is to commit changes. If you do not commit changes, then it won't be there. So this is how all the code that you create in CIT66 will be saved in your remote repositories. Okay, and what else? Hopefully that answers questions on this, and I will stop this now. And I made a video under 10 minutes. So I will thank you for the questions, and looking forward to giving you more answers.